Hi everyone, this is Gabriel, and I wanted to take a minute here to discuss the upcoming workshop that I'll be offering at the National Holistic Institute in San Francisco. I call it Massaging the Mind, and it is geared specifically towards massage therapists and body workers that want to bring some somatic techniques into their massage sessions to enhance the work that they're doing and to make their job easier, essentially. My background is in both massage therapy and somatics. And so what I've done with this workshop is kind of brought those different methods from those techniques and from those modalities together into one workshop. And I'm doing this because I found with so many of my clients that that's what they were looking for. The somatic techniques that I've learned, they're very clinical and they're very active on the part of my clients. It requires that they're moving, that they're listening to instructions, they're giving feedback, and they're following my guidance. But ultimately, they're doing all the work. And it's incredibly effective for dealing with musculoskeletal issues, but it's also, like I said, very active work. And I've found over the years that a number of my clients, they want to have the benefits of that somatic work, but they really want to relax and have more of a restorative, passive massage experience. And I totally understand that. Massage feels great. It's great to be able to just relax and unwind and check out. There are enormous benefits to simply getting a massage. I don't even want to say simply because there are enormous benefits to massage. It is a wonderful modality and a combination of many modalities, right? But what I've done is looked at how can I bring in the more active components of HANA somatics into a more passive massage session. And I think of it more like now passive somatics. And so to give you an example, when you're massaging, you're often thinking about biomechanical functions of touch. Squeezing a body part, squeezing an arm in this example, thinking about bringing blood flow, maybe stretching some of the tissue or stretching some of the underlying fascia in order to free up the muscle. Maybe you're even thinking directly about things you can do to find trigger points, to squeeze and to encourage that muscle to just let go and relax. When you're touching a part of the body, any part of the body though, we also need to consider that there are nerves involved. There are both sensory and motor nerves that are going out to every single part of the body, the skin, the underlying muscles, the joints, the blood vessels. Everything that you're touching is both skin, muscle, circulatory system, and the nervous system. And so when you look at it or consider it from that angle, you start to consider the experience of the person that you're touching. And that's where we start to think about somatics. What am I doing with my touch to enhance their experience within their body, to help them feel how their joints are organizing their body in space, how their bones are aligned and are relating to each other, and how the muscles are maintaining that position in their posture and in their movements. I'd highly encourage you to check out the video I posted about sensory motor amnesia to get a sense of what we're doing with massage techniques and with somatic techniques as we start to bring more awareness into a person's experience, help them feel more, particularly areas of the body that have been really tight. Because it's been really tight, they probably have not been fully feeling what's going on in that area. So what I'm going to do with this workshop is I'm going to demonstrate some techniques that you may not have been exposed to before that I've picked up in my HANA somatics training, and show you how to apply those techniques specifically for musculoskeletal issues in the middle of a massage session. Some of them are active, but many of them are more passive on the part of the client, where all that they're required to do is maybe breathe a little bit or to feel, feeling itself being an active experience when you're bringing it into a session like this. Secondly, I want to help you understand how the massage techniques that you're already doing are affecting your clients at the level of their nervous system, not just their musculoskeletal effects, not just circulation, but really affecting sensory motor feedback loops. How through touch and through massage techniques, you are enhancing and improving your client's ability to perceive their body from the inside and to control what they do with their body, with their somas, really. And so that's the idea. Massaging the mind means helping them feel more about what's going on in their body and helping them learn through that increased awareness how to control and change what's going on so they can relax, they can unwind, they can help to integrate more and create more possibilities for expansion, unwinding, and healing. So please send me emails with questions to gabriel@somaticbodyworker.com. Check out the link below for more information about the upcoming workshop and sign up and come join me. Thanks for watching.